A lot of people are wondering if it's still a good idea to invest in real estate. I'm Jennnifer Openshaw, a columnist for Wall Street Journal and CEO of SuperFutures.com, and I personally am a big lover of real estate, but there are some things that you want to keep in mind. First off, prices continue to stay very, very low. That can be a good thing if you're looking to buy, of course, because in some parts of the country, what was once a $400,000 house is now $100,000. And because of the bad economy, many people are looking to rent instead. They've had to foreclose on their homes. Millions of people have had to foreclose on their homes, and that means those people are now probably renting. But the lower prices today also mean that you may be competing with many more other people who are also looking to rent their rental property. So you want to keep that in mind. Some other things to keep in mind if you are looking to invest in real estate is you want to have at least a cushion of 3 to 6 months in case you're not able to rent it immediately, or God forbid something happens to a family member or who was managing the property, as has actually been the case with me. You want to make sure that you've got some money to cover that property in case you can't get a renter. You also want to keep in mind that there are other costs that you will have to incur than just the mortgage. There's taxes, insurance. You might want to take out a warranty on appliances or a form of insurance policy in case the refrigerator or the stove blows up and you won't have to fork over $400. And then there might also be association dues. So you want to make sure you're aware of all of those additional costs. And then finally, make sure that if you are investing in real estate, that it's an area that you know a lot about. Very important, so you have a good feel of the market. Check out what rents are going for in the local newspaper. Talk to people. If you're not able to manage that property yourself, that make sure you either hire somebody or use somebody that you trust and know well, because that's one of the most important things, is staying on top of that property and managing it just like any other business, because it is. And finally, you might also remember to diversify. I know people who have made millions of dollars putting all their money in real estate and not in the stock market. But of course, owning real estate comes with risks, as we've seen in these recent years. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about how much of your overall portfolio or your assets that you're putting into real estate. I'm Jennnifer Openshaw. For all your questions, we're here at ask.com, and I'm CEO of SuperFutures.com.